Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Bop Daddy TikTok dance. I love this type of dance because it's just very simple, short, and laid back. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start with the first mini section and just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. So it goes like this. What's my name? Cat. Bop Daddy. Cat. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, let's break that down step by step. What you want to do with your legs, basically just taking 3 steps to the front, starting with your right. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, almost as if you're running, all right? You can take small steps, big steps, whatever you want, okay? So you're gonna go right, left, right. At the same time, you also wanna do your hands, hey, 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 all right? So right, left, right, the same as the feet. So you wanna go right, left, right, okay? Pretty simple. Let's just do that one last time. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right. Now from here, what you want to do is a tap. This is my left foot here and my right arm. It's going to go tap and then I want to bring it down. Now notice how the transition is between da, da, da. My left feet goes up, boom, down. And then from here, I don't know what this is, but I keep my arm out here and then I want to pop my right shoulder, right? So I'm going to boom, boom. And then the last thing you want to do in this first mini section is look to the left and then look back. It's gonna go cat, cat. Okay? Let me just rewind. So what we did from the TikTok, we did right, left, right, tap, down, shoulder, and look back. That was pretty slow. Let's just try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, tap, and shoulder, and look back. Okay, before we keep practicing, let me just go through the timing as well. So I'm gonna try my best to sing the song here. So it goes, what's my name? Cat. There's a cat sound, cat, and then it goes, Bop Daddy. And then the last one is cat, cat. Okay, so when I do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. What's my name? Cat, Bop Daddy, cat, cat. Okay, we're gonna try that a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Cat, Bop Daddy, cat, cat. Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Cat, Bop Daddy, cat, cat. As always, feel free to practice at your own pace. You can pause, rewind, whatever you want, all right? For those of you who are ready, let's move on. All right, moving on to mini section 2. So end of 1 with bop, 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 bop. 2 goes big juice, got the club, bang, tap, tap, let's not. Now, let me explain. So this was end of 1. 2 goes, you want to lean your head, and it's as if you're falling here to your right. And then you want to save it by jumping to your right, right? So I want to do head, jump, okay? So jump here, and at the same time I've already prepped my left hand to go up here, boom, because I want to do this swing my right arm like that, all right? So this is figure 8-ish. So hitting my left side, right side, okay? And at the same time I also want to do this lean up, up. So let me just show it from the side. I did boom, lean, jump, and then I want to go boom, boom, all right? You can also imagine as if you're trying to avoid the arm that you're swinging. Boom, okay? So we did head, lean, jump, and then swing, swing. Now the last thing you want to do is go, right leg goes cross over to your left, and then it goes back out, okay? And your body kind of wants to follow. Boom. At the same time, your left arm is going to go opposite. So it's going to go to the right, and then I want to go to the left. Okay, so just opposite, out. Okay, let's just do a recap here. So what I did is I went whoom, jump, swing, swing, cross over, out. Now the timing is big juice, got the club, bang, cap, cap. Alright, so when I sing it a bit fast, it's gonna get this big juice, got the club, bang, tap, tap. And then he sings less man, this is a cue for this, less man. Alright, so when I do it all together, it's gonna look like this. Big juice, got the club, bang, tap, tap, less man. Alright, let's practice super slow. So from here, boom, 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 boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big juice, got the club, bang, tap, tap, less man. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big juice, got the club, bang, tap, tap, less man. Alright, feel free to practice more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on. Okay, let me start with a quick preview. So, right after boom, 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 from here, notice that my heel is up because from here, I want to go tap, more bodies. Ha! And let's just end it there. Alright, now let me explain. So from here, as I said, the heel is up. You want to say tap 1, 2 times, and then you want to go lift up your toes. You're on your heel, and then you want to go boom. Then you switch on your toes, flick your heel, and then the last one, toes. Alright? So it's 3. So you want to tap 1, 2, and then you want to go 1, 2, 3. But let me just explain the timing first. So the timing goes, the first word he sings, no, actually it's a beat, it goes ka, then he sings more bodies and ka. Yeah, so the rest is just silent. You just sort of move it. Okay? So let me just show you again the timing here. It goes ka, more bodies, ha. Alright? Let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka, more bodies, ha. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka, more bodies, ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, and ka, more bodies, ha. Alright guys, I think it's time that we go all the way to the tip top and practice, alright? So, section 1, 2, and 3. Let me just do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so recap, it goes, what's my name? Ka, Bop Daddy, ka, big juice, ka, the club, ka, less men, ka, more bodies, ha. So when I do it a bit faster, it's gonna look like this. What's my name? Ka, Bop Daddy, ka, big juice, ka, perfect, ka, less men, ka, more bodies, ha. Alright, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Ka, Bop Daddy, ka, big juice, ka, the club, bang, ka, let's man, ka, more bodies, ha. Okay, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Ka, Bop Daddy, ka, big juice, ka, the club, ka, let's man, ka, more bodies, ha. Okay, moving on to mini section 4. So, this was end of 3. Now 4 is, let me just do a quick preview. What's that? It's a drop top cat. Alright, let me break that down. So, this was end of 3. Now 4 is you want to do a mini jump. What I mean by that, I think it's easiest if I show you from the side here. I just did this, so notice how my right leg is a bit in front of my left leg. Now what I want to do is, let me just exaggerate here. You want to do a jump here, okay? So now I'm exaggerating, but when you do it, it's a lot more subtle. Boom, okay? So from here, you want to go mini jump, and then you want to go out with your right, boom, out with your left, boom, jump up, jump down. Okay, let me just rewind here. Right is in front of your left-ish. You want to do a mini jump, boom, right out, left out, jump up again, and then jump down. Now, on the jump down, you want to go boom, up. Yeah, I don't know what this is. let's just say you're skiing. It's called the caddy, alright? So he's singing, what's that? It's a drop top caddy, alright? Something like that. So what you want to do is from here, jump, out, out, up, down. Alright, and I'm sure the timing. So from here it's what's that? It's a drop top caddy. Alright? So let me just rewind. I'm just gonna show you again. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. Alright, let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. Okay guys, moving on to the final mini section 5. So right after this was 3, this is 4. Now 5 is, let me show you a quick preview. It goes, what's my name? Bop Daddy. And let me explain. So this was in the 4. Caddy, what you want to do now is jump up on your left and then you want to sort of kick your right up like that. Okay, so went from here to here. Now at the same time I also want to tap with the opposite, so my left is tapping my right leg, and then I just want to go down and then I want to step out. Boom. Okay, so let me just rewind from here. Caddy, I did jump up, boom, down, and then out. Okay, and then, I don't know what this is, but this is what you're doing. Boom, in, and then right. Okay, so left, in, right. Let me rewind. Caddy, from here, jump up, boom, down, out, in, out. And the timing, it goes, so here, caddy, it goes, what's my name? Bop Daddy. Okay, let's try and practice. 5, from here, we're gonna jump up, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Alright guys, that's it. So let's do a quick recap of the full dance and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so it goes. Right, left, right, tap, shoulder, look left, back, lean, jump and swing. Left, right, cross out. Here, tap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jump, boom, out, right, left, up, and ski. Now from here, jump and out, in, out. Alright, now with the timing, it goes like this. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Big you. Let's make more bangs. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Alright guys, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Big juice. Got the club. Let's make more bodies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Let's try that again. Bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Big juice. Club. Let's make more bodies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Alright guys, now you just need to practice over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Big juice. Got the club bang. Let's make more bodies. What's that? It's a drop top caddy. What's my name? Bop Daddy. Big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. For those of you who don't know what Skillshare is, it's an online learning community with thousands of classes within all kinds of topics. So obviously there's dance, but there's also music if you want to learn how to play the guitar, if you want to learn how to be a gardener, business skills, you name it, they have it. I do have to say that you would have to pay in order to join and take these classes, but I don't know, it's kind of obvious to me because it's a platform made just for learning and there are benefits like no ads, etc. Anyways, there's an offer right now for new users, so the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial. I will personally also be taking a class called YouTube Script, Shoot and Edit by Marcus Brown Lee. Obviously, I do know one or two things about YouTube, but I think the good thing about this class is that it takes you through the whole process from A to Z, so I might still learn a lot of things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.